This is my portable air conditioner and I love it so much. It's just absolutely amazing. Here you can see is the top of it. I'm going to turn it on just by pressing the power button. So it's, I mean, I wish you could feel this cold air immediately coming straight at me. It's so amazing. I love sleeping to the sound of this. I'm just going to turn it off for the sake of the video. So I love going to sleep to the sound of this air conditioner, but my partner does not. So, you know, you might, if noise affects you, you might want to wear earplugs, but believe me, it's so much better to have this. So it's in my bedroom, and then on the back of it, there's just a tube that connects to the back, and then it goes out the window. Whoopsie, it goes out the window. You can see we have this, you know, piece that comes with it here that blocks your window. So I have it like this all winter long, even when I'm not using the air conditioner. But I just can't say enough about it. The model is called Haier, H-A-I-E-R, and it's just nice and sleek and clean and white. You can set a timer. You can do the different modes in terms of cool, fan, dry, and sleep. High, low, time, and full. This puts the temperature up and down. So right now it's 68 degrees in my room, but if I turn it on, it goes to 60. I really have no complaints about this at all, other than some certain people think that it's a little noisy, but I don't at all, and I find it very comforting. It's fantastic. I just absolutely love it. But if you are affected by noise, you might need earplugs, but at least you'd be cool. So there's my review of this Haier air conditioning unit that is a portable air conditioning unit.